Alright guys, welcome back to Cali Sesh. We're here teaching you guys how to make these poet edibles. You're going to need some cereal boxes, approximately 4. And we have 6 bags of marshmallows. We have a whole tray of CannaButter, and you're going to need 2 individual trays of aluminum. One more thing, you're going to need a big pot about this size. Bigger or smaller works just fine. Alright guys, for the first step, we're going to heat up our pot. We're going to add our CannaButter, and we're going to melt down our marshmallows. You got it. It's going to be 2 bags per box. So the family size equals 2 bags of marshmallows, 3 tablespoons of CannaButter. So don't forget that ratio. Alright guys, you're going to keep this pot under low heat. You're going to add your tablespoons. Make sure you get a good amount. Let that melt. It's pretty good, guys. Smells like some dank. Smells fire. I hope y'all get high with this at home. Shit. Alright guys. Our butter is melted. Now it's time to add your marshmallows. You're going to throw it in the bags as quickly as you can. Make sure they're all coated with CannaButter. Make sure they're all green. You don't have any white marshmallows in there. They all have to be green. They all have to be thoroughly coated, just enough so that everybody gets a sample. So it should look like so. Should look like so. Let it melt it down. Let it melt for about 4 or 5 minutes. It turned into a paste. Alright guys, after letting it sit for a while, it should look like this. Check it out. This is a good texture. This is what you want. You want no lumps, you want no bubbles, and you want it green. If you like, you can add some more CannaButter, as so. Make it a little extra hard, strong. Add some more CannaButter, make it a little extra strong if you like. Higher dosage, higher mg equals more happiness. Alright guys, once you have that stable texture, you're going to put it in your cereal box. One. So the trick is you have to cover all the empty spots. If you see white, you gotta fill it in with cereal. Next step, you're gonna fucking mix it all up, get all those clumps out of the bottom. Mix in the cereal. Do this number. Left, right, under to top. If you see stuff like this, those chunks of marshmallows, you can add more cereal parts to that, just like that. Alright, once everything is thoroughly contaminated with marshmallows, you should have something like this. Check it out. Alright guys, once you guys have your texture, you're gonna go out and get yourself one of these. I got this at 99 for 99 cents. And you get it all in there. Do this, do that. It should look something like this. You're gonna pat it down. You're gonna mold it into the full corners. You're gonna pat it down thoroughly. I know it's a little sticky. The best way to do this is with your same stick you mixed it with, so that you don't get your hands all dirty. Trust me, I've gotten dirty before. You're gonna have this product. Don't worry if you don't fill it up all the way. That just means you need to make more, add more cereal, add more marshmallow. Stay tuned for the next video, guys. We'll be seeing you next week. Thank you, appreciate it. Alright guys, check it. This is finished product. We're giving them out. If it doesn't look like this, you're doing something wrong. This is 350 milligrams. Should be heavy on the good couch potato high for about 3 to 4 hours. Try it. Very good. And they're homemade. They're approximately 300 milligrams. Yeah, so this should be about 1 hour of that.
Yeah, the head change.
Damn, so I'm sure I took the dad, man, I can't talk.
You go, man. No worries.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, man, go ahead and try it. Here's the napkin. Okay.
You want a little marker? Cut?
No. Take a wild taste. We put a good amount of peanut butter in there, so it should be pretty fun.
It's actually pretty great. There's a lot of fruity. I like the crunchiness.
How's that marshmallow? We turned the marshmallow green, so you should be tasting a lot of green.
Yeah, that's the aftertaste of it. Yeah, you get it. When you first start off, it tastes real good. It's got crunchy, and then once you start getting into it, you get the marshmallow in the middle, and then in the after effect, you start getting the cherry, and then you start getting that good flavor.
I just hope you're able to drive after this, man. I just hope you're able to drive after this, man. Just
Bro,
driving.
my house is just like 3 blocks away now. Alright, thanks, my dude.
Alright, take care.
So you should be high for about 2 to 3 hours. So go ahead and try it. Give us feedback on the flavor, texture.
It's like Fruity Pebbles, right?
Fruity Pebbles.
Honestly, I don't even taste the weed. I'm not
This
gonna lie.
is Fruity Pebbles, and
I don't even taste like the bud. So
It should
I would
taste
say
like-
it's pretty fucking good. Not gonna
it
lie.
should be actually pretty potent. You should taste a little bit of the aftertaste. Do you taste it yet? A
Honestly,
little green,
I just
green flavor.
a little bit, but I think it just tastes pretty fucking good.
Damn, that means I did a good job.
Pretty good.
I did a good job.
Pretty good job, yeah.
I did
It's probably the best edible I tried.
Really?
Pretty good.
Alright,
All the edibles are fucking didn't taste like shit, bro. I'm not gonna
Appreciate your
lie.
feedback, bro. We're gonna keep making them. If we ever see you again, we appreciate your support, and stay tuned for more videos, guys. This is the finished product. We're almost out, and thanks for having me, man.
So, peace out, man.